MeghalayaPost.news.
Ban persutu paiba halor ka jingnon kam ban penek pensa ia kita long ki klau giptap bat kami mariang katnat rekam jongka soil and water conservation nongpo division Riboy district kala pelong ia program ka bakarpang hakasnong umtung hakabala pun Kut Noh ia ka Watershed Yatra outreach campaign ka jingya inti ka balai teo ban samjing tip so paiba ka bahap apok ka Pradhan Menteri Krishi Sinchaye Yojana Watershed Development Component katnat soil and water conservation kelas dang ia ka Watershed Yatra outreach campaign hakakak tenai terik ulber aja absan hanong ba shlong da ka bayak keleng gisnong da ka kali ka balas nagarpang ban samjing tiap sekipai ba halor katong jongka sorkar ban penek pensa ikit long ki klau kiptap bat kami mariang hakani gasngi balapun Kut Noh ia ka Watershed Yatra ha umtung tawan ban simenta do menteri katnat soil and water conservation Marcus and Marak Kaba Kongsan haka jinga donlaru uba Raja Brahma ADC ka Riboy district uba batru kumu project director katnat DRDA Dr. Artalang video ka Boy Rembong CNRD block nolor kihe officer katnat soil and water conservation kinong yalam snong bat na school nakaliang katnat soil and water conservation kalapi pai baru ia ka cakap lang haki klau kiptap lengba ka PMKSY Watershed Development Component hakasnong umket
This yatra is not just a symbolic movement, it is a call to each one of us to take responsibility for our land, water, and forests, our most precious resources. PMKSY WDC is a mission that aims to restore degraded lands, improve water security, and enhance agricultural productivity. By integrating scientific watershed management with community-driven efforts, this initiative aspires to create climate-resilient villages that can sustain themselves for generations to come. With its reach-to-valley approach, the program ensures that soil and water conservation measures work holistically, benefiting not just individual farmers, but entire ecosystem. This yatra is dedicated this yatra, with its dedicated van traveling across districts, serves as a mobile knowledge hub, administration, and most importantly, the people. It is only when communities actively participate the conservation efforts become long-lasting and impactful. Every drop of water saved, every tree planted, and every piece of land rejuvenated under this program will shape the future of our environment and our livelihood.
Yatra balakot. Temene bakran jungi lead officer ba aringru long ngibit farewell ngibit farewell yatra but farewell yatra but is a new beginning, new chapter for us on the front of the water conservation. Department of soil and department of horti, every water resources department, forest, come tam block CNRD, kumangadi project director. No scheme all the department, all the small department also, they have contributed something on for the conservation, for the NRM project, means natural resource management. Tinggal kan mau ko video baru mangro ikan do yang mas no yang sim ka kam ba pendan mo in bo ta ka hapin ha mariang in conserve the water bodies tinum dai snampung pung doha Amrit Sarovar si ekar mo ni jakam ni sna ko tengile kan bojong do soil water conservation bon ba pa water conservation manrega ini hindi long tang ban yatra dai idan malang minsim la jong de benle ha tingi mentas ni kondo ne unde si kondo ne moban modan burong minister sangi mo isong katlang modan program pasna pandal ne pai deng kat mo tang lakot ke program pat sibet laklek lale klet na ta mariang unde unta imon ko po ni dan kamen long awareness na kemen mentas ni melong ko yung ige belum start kita ke jong video sebelum kita ni mentang mentang kamu sun kreni bro unta la pinikai nga ai mayo dun bajing mentang na ini satu grup ni. Mulai ini salah practice lah, take minta, ada awareness program, mau start. Muncul, sans muncul, sports muncul tinggi, long kumijungi ni sebar. Sementara long darbar ni. Darbar itu drama tamasak, tambah tik kemudian kam darbar. Dari mana? Tinggi sih perkara kan. Mau melong one department ni, tambah start jingin jungi. Kam beri tu, tang way dia ngerapinya orang soil. Way dia ngerapinya orang forest department. Thum dia, thum. Semua orang tu dia. Thum itu what bang belang ne masih. Nenam deh, tang sepang abu untuk awan belang tu. Berapa tu, sejauh jing mentoy. Ini semua orang. Sementara ni dan pun student dan dekat dengan teacher student dekat ni. Idan ke subjek apa juga, water conservation and all, ecology, dan baik. Now the class 6 lah dan pas subject. Ni dia subject matter very important. The third world war will be on the water crisis. Manta Ukraine and Russia jangja, ada manta perang world war. Maybe this is not a water crisis. If there is a water crisis, the third world war will be on the water crisis. Ni dan apa within India we be Kaveri water dispute. Tamil Nadu and Karnataka. Every time during this speech, just imagine if there is one bad monsoon upon northeast in Meghalaya, what will happen? From Brahmaputra, from Ganga, from Ganges, this river are snow-fed, they travel thousands of kilometers away. But ni go walk on to the you have him along slap, the ni to policy when let the water contribution pinha bo the same point tang in duna tang one monsoon day.
As we mark the culmination of Watershed Yatra, a remarkable journey that began on 19th of March in Shillong and concludes today here in Umtung, Riboi district. This Yatra has been an extraordinary initiative, one that has not only traversed across the districts but has also united communities in the shared commitment to water conservation, sustainable land management, and environmental stewardship. I was privileged to have had the opportunity to attend the Yatra program in North Garo Hills district, East Garo Hills district, and West Garo Hills district, and today here in Riboi district. Through my participation, I have witnessed firsthand the impact of this initiative, how it has created awareness, encouraged active participation, and inspired collective action towards preserving our watersheds and protecting our natural resources. Meghalaya is blessed with abundant natural beauty, rivers and forests that sustain our way of life. However, we cannot take these resources for granted. Climate change, deforestation, and unplanned development pose significant threats to our water sources. Soil quality and biodiversity. This is why the Watershed Yatra is not just a campaign, it is a movement that calls upon every citizen to take responsibility and contribute towards sustainable development. Watershed plays a fundamental role in maintaining ecological balance. They regulate water flow, recharge groundwater, and prevent soil erosion. A well-managed watershed ensures that our rivers and streams remain clean and that our farmers have access to water for agriculture. It supports biodiversity and helps mitigate the adverse effects of climate change. The significance of this yatra lies in the awareness it has created. Emphasizing the conservation is not a responsibility of a few but a collective duty of all. Through the various interactions and activities conducted during this yatra, it has become clear that our communities are ready and willing to adopt watershed management practices and innovative solutions to safeguard our environment. I want to appreciate the efforts of the officials, local leaders, and the enthusiastic participation of farmers, self-help groups, and young volunteers who have all played a crucial role in making this yatra a success. As we conclude this incredible journey, let us remember that our work does not end here. The spirit of Watershed Yatra must continue beyond today. Each one of us has a role to play, whether it is through afforestation efforts, rainwater harvesting, soil conservation, or spreading awareness in our communities. Every small step contributes to larger goal of ensuring water security and ecological balance for future generations.
Kindly give a round of applause. But pinyo lang marbo rang basnong nong tarian. Shed project kajongi hangni habhoy rambang blong. So hangin ya thak tin.
MeghalayaPost.news